friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the recipe of my family's favorite, the chicken lasagna. For this, I'm using oven-ready lasagna noodle sheets, marinara sauce which is tomato and basil, a can of ricotta cheese, this is 15 ounce, one medium onion diced, a can of mushroom which is optional, ground meat of chicken 1 pound, shredded cheese. I have a 4 cheese blend. You can use mozzarella, which is usually recommended, and a greased baking dish. To cook the chicken, for layering, let's get started and add some spices in it and get going. In 2 tablespoons of oil, I am adding the diced onion to it and then fry it for a few minutes until translucent. While we are frying the onion, we have some spices. So here in a bowl, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then allspice powder is 1/2 teaspoon. Then I have salt, which is 1 teaspoon, and red chili flakes, which are 1/2 teaspoon. Add the chicken to this onions and fry them until they change their color from pink to white. So friends, personally I like to add some garlic powder. You can also use ginger garlic paste or just the garlic paste. I have added 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, is this, and now I am mixing it. Now add all of these spices and mix it again. While the chicken is being cooked, let's preheat our oven 380 degrees. See how the oven ready lasagna works. For this, the instructions are you have to add 1/2 cup water or milk for every 5 lasagna noodles used. And then cover the pan with tin foil. Follow your regular lasagna recipe cooking instructions. Remove the tin foil for the last 10 minutes of the cooking time and enjoy. So what we are going to do, this packet has altogether 12 lasagna shapes which we are going to use and assemble. Just boil some water in a pot and place these noodles just for 5 minutes in the hot boiling water. The stove is turned off and they will just rest for 5 minutes, so then we don't have to add those extra 1/2 cup of water. And if you're using the regular lasagna noodle sheets, you can just boil them for 5 to 7 minutes in boiling water and then drain the water and use them as the lasagna recipe. Now, after 8 minutes, I'm going to check how it's looking. Looks wonderful. The 24 ounces, 1 pound, 8 ounce of pasta sauce bottle, which I'm adding to it. To add 1/2 cup of water and just clean the bottle and add it to the sauce. Here I have grounded oregano leaves. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of those in it. One teaspoon of black pepper, and let it simmer for next 10 minutes. So friends, to make the ricotta cheese mixture, are adding everything to a bowl. You're adding 1 egg to the mixture, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon as per taste of black pepper, and once again some leaves of parsley. I have this frozen one, that's what I'm using. you can use the fresh ones too. Now mix it together. While I'm mixing it, I think that we should use all the ricotta cheese mixture. So let's take all of them out, even this one. So it's 15 ounces what we are using. Now we are going to put this in the refrigerator while the sauce is on simmer and getting ready. Just open the can of mushroom, drain the excess water and add the mushrooms in the sauce. These are the mushroom cut into pieces and a stem. And if you don't like the taste of mushroom or if you don't have those, this is really optional. I am adding it to our sauce, which is still being cooked. Yes. Mix it, and we have only 5 minutes. Cook it on high flame without the lid. In the mixture, I forgot to let you guys know that if you like the taste of nutmeg, add a pinch of nutmeg to this mixture. So after 18 minutes being baked, covered on 380 degrees Fahrenheit, now I'm gonna take it out and show it to you guys how it looks like. Oh wow. And now the oven on broil, we have to set it on the medium or the center rack and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes until all the cheese is melted and looks cooked through. This is going again in the broiler, uncovered for 3 to 4 minutes. So dear friends, after 3 to 4 minutes on the broiler, this is the final look of the delicious lasagna dish. We are going to enjoy it after 30 minutes. It's very hot right now. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Actually, I enjoyed making it with you guys. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and take care. Bye.